In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project. To get started, look over to the left sidebar of your workspace. This is where you'll usually find your main navigation options, including your existing projects and key tools. In that sidebar, find the plus icon next to projects and click it. This is the starting point for creating something new, and it opens the options you'll need to set up your project the way you want. Once that menu appears, choose blank project if you want to start from scratch. This is a great option if you already know how you want to organize your work and prefer to build the structure yourself. If you'd rather save time or use a layout that's already been designed for a specific type of workflow, you can also choose one of the pre-made templates instead. Templates can be especially helpful if you want a faster setup or need ideas for how to organize tasks and information. After that, you'll be asked to enter the basic details for your project. Start by naming your project. Pick a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you'll be managing multiple projects at the same time. A good project name helps you and anyone else involved quickly understand its purpose. Next, choose the privacy setting for the project. You'll typically see options like public or private. Public means the project can be viewed more broadly within your workspace, while private limits access to only the people you choose or those who already have permission. This setting is important because it affects who can see the project and collaborate in it, so take a moment to choose the one that best matches the kind of work you're doing. You'll also choose a default view for the project. Common options include list, board, timeline, or calendar. The list view is great for a simple, straightforward task layout. Board view works well for visual workflows and moving tasks through stages. Timeline is useful when you want to see how work is scheduled over time, and calendar is a strong option if your project is driven by dates and deadlines. Pick the view that best fits how you plan to manage the work, knowing that in many tools, you can often switch views later if needed. Once everything looks right, click Create Project. Your new project will be created using the name, privacy setting, and default view you selected, and you'll be ready to start adding tasks, organizing details, and building out your workflow.